Sarpanch, Raji 12:30 जाल्यान. What is the urgency to seal the premises so urgent?
53 years this market is standing and its condition has gone beyond repair nor restoration. So the only option for us was to seal it and as far as possible try to get it down as early as possible. So we have requested the Deputy Collector to give us instructions to demolish it as fast as possible. And now that the bigger question is, what about the future of the market? Well, we are in Aldana very much confident in our leadership with Advocate Carlos. We have full confidence in him because we know that in his leadership there is no sabotage. We have full confidence in the government of Goa. The Honorable Minister for Panchayat has already done his part of giving in principle NOC in his meeting that they had, board meeting, and they have agreed to sanction the project under GSIDC. The file is already reached the Secretariat. We have full confidence, and I recollect when I had met CM for an occasion in Taligaon Community Hall where I introduced myself saying that Dr. Rao Aldoncha Sarpanch, marketacha mare matter, sangla mare kallusak. These were his words. So, and Dr. also has taken assurance from CM very, very categorically, and they are all positive to get this market done. I agree that some of the vendors were a bit disappointed today, but rest assured, we have the support of the local punch member, my deputy Rohan, who has taken all the trouble to see that today's sealing is a success. We have all the confidence that this project will be a success, and we will ensure that the disappointment today on the vendor's face will lead to a smile through the leadership of Advocate Carlos and the government of Goa.
Building सारखे demolition केना जावपाचे.
If everything goes on as per plan, we are planning to bring it down by this week. Local punch member ha janen amka full support. ताजेरे भरपूर pressure halo local vendors since he was from this area. But then we all stood, all 11 of us stood very strong because it was the urgency. So I request Pranesh as an ex-Sarpanch who had also faced the situation, but now is with us very strongly to say a few words.
सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार आयज आमी पंचायतीची सगळ्यांनी आमचे जे सरपंच तशेंच आमचे बाकीचे मेंबरान सगळ्यांनी आयज एक फर्म डिसिजन घेतलेलें आहा. मेन म्हटल्यार सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार लोकांच्या सेफ्टीक लागून ते ज्यो बिल्डींग आहा ते आमकां अनसेफ म्हणून एक स्टेबिलिटी आमकां पयलो रिपोर्ट दिल्लो पयलीं, आनी तेन्ना सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार आमी हांगा पयलीं नोटीसूय मारलेले आनी सगळे आमी वेंडर्सांक आमी सांगलेले की अशें अशें बाबा आहा, आमकां नोटीस येयल्लो आहा, सॉरी आमकां स्टेबिलिटी रिपोर्ट येयल्लो आसा आनी अनसेफ म्हणून आमी सांगलेले. पूण कितें आहा, कांय लोकांचें कितें आसा, बिजनसाक लागून पोट भरपाक लागून तांकां जागो नासलेल्या कारणान ते खंय तरी मातशे फाटीं उरले. आनी आमच्या आयज सरपंचान एक प्रॉमीस केल्ले आहा, तशेंच आमच्या हाल्दोणचो MLA बाब कालूस, एडवोकेट कालूस सर, तेणेन आमकां प्रॉमीस केल्ले आहा ते जाता इतले बेगीन आमकां जो मार्केट आहा ते बांदून दितले म्हणून. तेन्ना हांव तेंचे कडेन मागता चडान चड देव बरें करूं.
Last question. आता मार्केट तुम्ही सगळ्यांना मार्केट वेंडरांक काढले, but now what about them now? Where are they supposed to go and what are they supposed to do?
At this point and at this hour, I cannot give any commitment, but I can assure that we will bring the smile back on their face as soon as possible.
आज खंय तरी आमी पंचायतीन एक डिसिजन घेतलेलें आहा की हो रोड जो आहा मेन आमी मार्केटाक आहा तो आमी बंद केल्लो आहा, कित्याक लोकांच्या सेफ्टीक लागून. कित्याक सांग, मेन म्हणल्यार मेन तो रोड आहा, कित्याक हांगा लोक मिसाक वयता आनी कितें वयता, आनी जो आयज बिल्डिंगेचे जो स्टेट आहा पळय ते केन्नाय कोसोंक शकता. ताका लागून आमी हो रोड थोडे दिसांक आमी बंद दवरतलो. तेन्ना आमकां लोकांनी मातशें कॉपरेट करचें. तशेंच आमचें मेन म्हणल्यार सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार मुद्दो, आमी एक जो मार्केट आयज बंद केल्लें आहा, कारण कितें म्हणजे तुमकां खबर आसतलें आयज मार्केट सारकेंच तें अनसेफ जाल्लें आहा, कळ्ळें तुका. आनी लोकांनी तशेंच आमचे वेंडर शॉपकिपरांनी आमकां मातसो सपोर्ट करचो. आमी जाता इतले बेगीन ट्राय करून आमी हे मार्केट जो आहा ते परते आमी नवें मार्केट आमी आमच्या हाल्दोणान बरें हाडटले. आनी आमकां एक कालूस सरान आमकां एश्युरन्स दिल्ले आहा की आमच्या हाल्दोणान एक मार्केट बरें जातलें म्हणून. तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी सरान हेजे बद्दल खूबशे आमकां हेल्प केल्लो आहा. NOC म्हणनाका, चर्चे करसून म्हणनाका, खंयसर फायली ज्यो आहा ती प्रोसेस फुडें व्हरपाक. आनी आमच्या सरपंच बाबांनी तशेंच आमच्या मेंबरांनी सगळ्यांनी आमी एकत्र येवन आयज ह्या मार्केटाक लागून आमी खूब वावरलेले आहा. तेन्ना आमकां खंय तरी दिसता की जाता इतले बेगीन हें मार्केट जातलें. थँक्यू.